and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing another section of the SEMrush tool. So far, we've covered domain analytics, keyword analytics, projects, marketing insights, and gap analysis. And we have been able to deduct a lot of useful information out of all of these. So for now, we're going to move forward to our sixth section, which is topic research. So what is topic research in SEMrush? Well, you can analyze your rival's content and get ideas to write winning content. So this is about analyzing your competitors' content and what kind of content they're publishing online and how much response or how much engagement it is receiving, and what kind of tips or strategies you can integrate in your own content to make it appealing to grab the attention of your targeted audience. So we're going to analyze a domain to see how it works and how exactly can it help you get ideas about writing content and how it can facilitate you when it comes to creating SEO powered content. Okay, so we're going to enter a topic, like let's say, okay, so we have some recent searches here, which are our search engine's important source. Okay, we're going to click on this. Okay, so we have content ideas. The topic research this is our topic, and these are the content ideas. So we have Google Search Console, and I think this little small icon at the top means that these are trending subtopics. So if you scroll down, we can see that these are the trending topics that we can use in order to write content on, because they're getting a lot of engagement, they're getting a lot of attention. So if we use these, we can become a trendsetter. We can participate in the setting the trend, in following the trend, and in getting the attention of the audiences that we want to attract towards our brand. So we have cards here. We have Explorer, Overview, Mind Map. This seems a bit overwhelming, but we're going to explore each of them step by step to understand how they work. So we have several topics here, and we have different categories, and in those categories we have different topics which are getting the most amount of engagement. So okay, so the subtopic volume is this, the difficulty is this, the topic efficiency is high. So from this section we can see that the difficulty of the topic that we've searched when it comes to Google Search Console is high, and also the topic efficiency is high as well. So the more efficient your topic is, and the more difficult it's going to be to write. So we have headlines here, we have questions here. So the headlines and questions, what you can do is you can compare them, and you can also integrate these questions or make your headline or your title into a question to give a better idea of your audiences. So when your results, when the links of your content pop up in the results, your audiences will be hooked instantly. They'll be curious and they'll click on that link to read what your blog or article or content is about. So you can use these questions, in order to create your own titles or headlines. And apart from that, we have headlines, we have questions as well, and we have related searches as well. So you don't only get to know about the topic that you want to research on, but you also get to explore the related searches from there. So you're getting a very vast variety of topics to choose from when you have to write. So when you're conflicted about what you should write about or what kind of blog you should create, this section is the ultimate help that you can get. We're gonna scroll down a little more to see. So about deciding, like right below each topic, we have the volume for that topic as well, and these are the trending subtopics. So that means that if you focus on the suggestions that have been provided to you in these categories, you have a really high chance of grabbing your audience's attention and establishing your brand's authority through effective and useful content. So the purpose of this section is to basically help you understand that you have to create quality content for your readers, because if you don't, it will just be a waste of time, and you need to focus your attention and your strategy towards something that's actually going to be fruitful, or that's something that's going to be profitable for you. And then we have favorite ideas. So what is this section about? Okay, so review your content ideas and add any of them to your favorites. So this is the favorite section. For example, if you reviewed something from here, you can add it to your favorites in order to write about it later. Or you can add it to your favorites after you've done enough research and you know that, okay, this is what I'm gonna write about, or this is what I should be writing about, and you're just saving it there for a better sense of remembrance. Okay, so we have content ideas, we have favorite ideas. We can also export the sheet in the form of an Excel sheet to keep it for later on, to conduct a long time research, to have our hands on a very vast database of topics to write from. So as always, SEMrush has a lot of effective tools to offer to the users, but the very important feature that it has introduced or integrated in almost all of these sections is the export thing. So whatever data you are getting out of all of these sections, you can export them and you can view them later on, and there is no limitation that you have to log into your account and view it again and again. You can just download it and you can export it and you can view it on your own convenience. So that is extremely useful, and that is very beneficial when it comes to accessing information and keeping it for a constant or a regular analysis. So this was topic research. And apart from that, if we click on content ideas, we'll be able to see how exactly it's going to help us out. Okay, so this is a premium plan, and by using this, you can write an article with SEO content template, you can optimize it in SEO Writing Assistant, and you can measure results in post tracking. So if you're someone who's looking to polish their content writing skills, or if you have a content writer on your team, you can use this tool to help them polish their writing and to help them polish their language and tone and skills and whatnot. So your content will be worthy of reaching the top of the search results. So this was topic research, and this is a very useful section as we've explored. So you can use this section for your own advantage as well. So go ahead and use this section and get as many content ideas as you want.